The Boy Scouts motto reads, "Be prepared." That was true 100 years ago, and it is even truer today. Because nobody knows what the day may bring, the onus falls on us to do the best that we can to prepare for any eventuality. Hello, and I would like to thank you for joining us today. My name is Janice, and today we will be looking at one of the most underrated insurance policies in the country today. When you have access to helpful information, you put yourself in the best position to make the right financial decisions for yourself. To the end, one of the many measures you need to put in place is personal accident insurance. To understand how important this feature is, you need to know just what this policy coverage offers you. Personal accident insurance. What it is? Personal accident insurance is essentially a type of coverage you can get to protect your family if you suffer permanent disabilities financially. This type of coverage is essential if you are the breadwinner or primary caregiver of your family. Even though personal accident insurance is not on the same pedestal as life insurance or health insurance, it is very big as necessary. It is because it gives you that much needed peace of mind that should anything happen to you, and rest assured, your family will not suffer financially. Now that you know just how important this policy is, the question becomes finding the best place to get this type of insurance. It might be a simple task, a lot more goes into it than you might think. Luckily, you can use platforms like FinCrew to compare and buy this insurance with ease in Malaysia today. You may be thinking, why I bother to check comparing insurance policies? Why shouldn't I get the first policy that comes my way? Here are some reasons why you should use the comparison feature that FinCrew offers. First, it helps you to find the best pricing options. If you don't take the time to know what all your options are, it becomes impossible to find the best financial choices for you. Even if you aren't looking for the cheapest option, this doesn't stop you from saving money where you can. FinCrew provides you with all the details you need to know about what different insurers offer you. When you have this, you can then factor it into your decision-making process. Secondly, you get a better understanding of what each policy offers you. When you compare insurance options, you will have a deeper insight into what each insurer offers. That way, you will know just what each insurer gives you with their personal accident insurance. From that, you can determine if these offerings are sufficient for you. Third, it puts you in control. Using a top-tier comparison platform like FinCrew for accessing personal accident insurance options puts you in greater control as you understand the terms on which you are getting these policies from insurers before you go into it. With all these resources at your disposal, buying personal accident insurance has never been easier. Use FinCrew.my to compare and buy this coverage without stress today.